All right, vertical asymptotes and horizontal asymptotes. Vertical asymptotes are the same thing as figuring out where the function is undefined, which means all you're doing is setting the bottom equal to 0. Okay, so in this one, there's no GCF, so if I were to set the bottom equal to 0, I'm still going to have to factor it. So 64, we've got a couple of different factors. We can try 8 times 8. We can try 4 times 16. We can do 2 and 32. So we have to kind of play around with it a little bit. I'm going to try 8 and 8 first. I always try to start with the ones that are closest numbers to each other. So 8 is itself. Okay, so here I'm going to get 24x and 8x. Well, those will add up to positive 32, which means we just want to make both of them negative. Okay, so 3x minus 8 and x minus 8. So now I'm setting each of those equal to 0. Okay, sorry, if I set this equal to 0, I'll add the 8 and then I'll divide by 3. So 8/3, and this will give me positive 8. Okay, so same thing here. Undefined is the same thing as a vertical asymptote. So we're going to factor the bottom because we need to figure out where does the bottom equal 0. So 12, we've got a couple of different factors, 3 and 4, 6 and 2, 3 and 4, 6x, 4x, those will add up to 10 or subtract to be 2. So maybe I want to flip-flop it. Let's try 4 and 3. Here I get 8x and 3x, and as long as the 8 is negative, I'll get my negative 5. So x minus 4, 2x plus 3. Setting each of these equal to 0, I'll get a positive 4 after I add it. Here I'll have to subtract the 3 and divide by 2. Okay, horizontal asymptotes, you may want to include those rules on your note card. And same for vertical asymptote. Vertical asymptote, you might want to say, set the bottom equal to 0 on your note card. Same for undefined. Undefined, set the bottom equal to 0. Okay, horizontal, we had 3 rules. When the degree in the top was smaller, we say y equals 0. If the top is bigger, we say none. And if they're the same, we divide coefficients. So if you notice here, the degrees are the same. So I'm going to just take their coefficients, 1 and 3, and divide them. So I'm going to say y equals 1/3 here. In the next one, again, following these same 3 rules, if the top is smaller, 0. If the top is bigger, none. If they're the same, divide coefficients. So the degree here is 1. The degree in the bottom is 2. So this is smaller. We're going to say y equals 0. I would definitely put those rules on my note card.